Okay, we're going to make some coffee in this handy dandy French press here. Never knew what a French press was except for when I started watching British shows probably 8 years ago and started seeing them use them on British shows. Never been introduced to one or seen one. Was used to drinking coffee. When I grew up, I remember the grandparents had a percolator, mom and dad had a percolator. Then as time went on, we switched to, just a coffee pot. Never been into the Keurig coffee pots or anything. Then I found some really good instant coffee that I used when I was living in my camper. And now I've got this Dunkin' Donuts. Now I know with French press you're supposed to get your own beans and grind them, la-ti-da. I'm not doing that, y'all. I'm not into it that far, okay? So, but it did say in the video I watched that we should put I put 2 cups of water in here. For every cup is 3 tablespoons of coffee, which sounds good to me because I like strong coffee. So this is 2 tablespoons right there. 1 and a half for the first cup, which is 3 tablespoons. Keep up with the math. There's 3 for the second cup. Okay. And I always heard that Dunkin' if I said Dunkin' Hines, I'm sorry, Dunkin' Donuts coffee was better, but quite frankly, I see no difference in it than like Folgers. I'm not a connoisseur of coffee though. So, okay, so we boiled our water in our teapot. We gotta put it in this. This is glass. I'm a little leery about putting boiling water in glass stuff, but we're gonna do it, and we're gonna be okay. So put this in here. Of course, some things say don't put the boiling water in it. It will burn your beans, burn your coffee, but it's not really boiling once you let it sit there for just a second. And then it says over here, and stir it till it's nice and frothy. I like strong coffee. Okay. And this is a medium roast, so we're going to let it, after I stir it, it's frothy, that's nice. We're going to let it steam. We're going to put the plunger in just sitting like that. We're not going to plunge it yet. We're going to let it steam or whatever for about 4 minutes. So I'm going to turn you on pause, turn my timer on 4 minutes, and come back. Alright, it has been 4 minutes. So now you're going to plunge this. They say to do it really slow because you could have some coffee come back out and splurt up on you. So plunge it slow. And then pour in your cup. I've already got I have to drink sugar and creamer in my coffee. Sorry, not a fan of just black coffee. Let's see how it is. Oh, I've been making this coffee just through my coffee pot. My nephew has discovered percolating and just thinks it's the best, but I'm like, okay, that's old school. It's like in the 80s and 70s, 60s, 50s. Sorry for the noise, that's my heater. Alright, now, I will tell you the truth on this. What it tastes good, bad, what? Always wanted to try this. Or if it just tastes, like the same. Alright. I'll turn you around so you can get my... Alright, here I am. Here's a mess. Let's taste it. It's going to be very hot. I don't like very, very hot coffee. I'm not one to slurp my coffee. Tastes good. A little better. Really strong. I made it really strong. Yeah. It's good. I mean, I do it that way rather than get out the coffee pot. So, thumbs up. I always have to have a cup of ice water with my coffee. No, I'm weird. Still got my mark on my face. All right, French press. Tell me if you like it or if you don't like it. Do you like French press coffee? Who knew? By the way, bought that at a thrift store for $1. Bye.